Welcome to Anjus universe. Today I'm going to show how to make paneer out of milk at home. So here what I have done, I have taken full fat milk, around 2 liters of that. But for this paneer and all, we should take full fat milk or very thick milk. That paneer will come nicely. Otherwise it will be very thin and it will take lots of milk to make a small amount of paneer. So here I have taken full fat milk and which I am boiling, and for that we need, this is called sour salt or citric acid. It's looking like sugar, but it's very sharp. It's a sour salt. So I'm going to use this today to split the milk. You can use lemon. For this 2 liters of milk, I have taken 1 teaspoon of this sour salt, which I'm going to pour gently, slowly. So if it is required, I will add more. If it is enough in half quantity, then I will stop adding it. So you can use a lemon juice, 1 lemon or half lemon juice, and mix it in a water and then pour it. Otherwise you can use plain white vinegar, so that will also split the milk. So let's first boil the milk and then I'm going to add this. So milk is nice and hot. At this stage I'm going to, it's not fully boiling, over boiling, just a little warm, because I have boiled the milk before. Now I have just warm it. Now I am going to add the citric acid or the sour salt and we'll stir it. It will start splitting. As you can see, it started splitting. Small grains like this. I will boil for another 5 minutes. It will be totally splitted. Water will be separated and the paneer will be completely separated. As you can see, it's boiling very nicely. Now I am going to switch off the gas and filter it in a cotton white cloth. I am going to filter it and will not throw the water. We'll keep the water also. So I'm going to pour in a bowl with a white cloth. So I have taken one bowl and white cloth. I am pouring this splitted milk into it. Now I'm going to squeeze the water. It's very hot, little bit, and then I'm going to run through cold water so that sourness of the citric acid, kadai of water, and I'm just dipping this so that it will be, sourness will be gone out of that paneer. Now we will squeeze it nicely. We have to remove all the excess water. So I'm going to roll it and I'm going to keep in a plate with something heavy on top of it. I've kept in a plate. I'm going to put this chapati maker thing. It's a heavy thing I'll put, because I want it flat and nice, and it will squeeze all the excess water also, and the paneer will be nice and stiff, so that I can cut into pieces. Here our paneer is ready, nice and firm, so we can cut them into pieces and we can use for any paneer item, or we can mash them and nicely smoothly knead them, and then we can make a dessert also out of it. So how it's going to look, see, 2 liters of milk I have got, like it will be around 250 gram or 260 grams of paneer. So it's ready. You can do whatever with paneer. And this is the whey we got out of that paneer. This is the paneer water. This contains whey protein. It's a very high in protein. This whey is used in for athletes. They will use this whey water to to increase their strength and all. It's very good. So I'm not going to throw this water. What I'm going to do, I will keep in fridge. If you want to use after 2 days or something, then you can keep it. Otherwise you can use immediately also. So what we can do with this water, this whey protein, this water, we can use in kneading our dough, chapati dough, paratha dough, or we can use this water in dals, to boil dals, and for gravies, curries, we do curries and gravies. In that also we can use this water, and even we can use this water in soup also. If we are making soup, and we can use this water, it can be used in many ways. Even in rice also you can use this water to boil the rice. So it's very good for health. You can use this water. Never throw this water because it's very high in protein. So let's see what we can do with this paneer. Thank you for watching. Keep watching for new videos. Till then, bye.